So guys, we just unboxed some cards, and here's the cards that we got. Anthony Simons, that's how I got. Dorian Finney-Smith, Colin Sexton, Devin Booker, R.J. Barrett, Isaac Okoro and Sadiq Bey, Vasil, Micic, Alperen Sengun, and a Giannis, Cody Williams, Rui Hachimura, Ausar Thompson, Russell Westbrook, Bob Carrington, and a Johnny Furphy rookie card, both rookies. Okay, and then here is another card, KJ Simpson, then another KJ Simpson, Tobias Harris, Amin Thompson, and Isaiah Stewart. Then we got Daniel Gafford, Karis LeVert, Nicholas Batum, Keyshawn George, Cameron Thomas, Julius Randle, Denny Avdia, Shaden Sharp, Reed Shepard, Emmanuel Quickly, Jacob Podol and Clint Capella, De'Aaron Fox and McCall Bridges, Bradley Beal, Marcus Sasser, and a bomb squad, Nikola Jokic. Then Keldon Johnson, Jimmy Butler, Max Strus, Keyshawn George, Jalen Tyson, John Collins, Vasil Micic, Jalen Tyson, and a Zach Edey rookie card. Then we have Legends, Dwayne Wade, Dominance, Jalen Brunson, LaMelo Ball, Bob Carrington again, Jaylen Brown, Evan Mobley, and 2 Lucas. Now I will be naming my brother's cards. Okay, first up is Bronny James, Austin Reeves, and LeBron. Then we got Brandon Ingram and Herbert Jones. Then we got Johnny Furphy, Andrew Nemhard, Aaron Nesmith, Tristan Newton, and Miles Turner. And then we got Grayson Allen, Bull, Isaiah Collier, Jay Crowder, Jalen Green, Alexander Sarr, Jonas Valanciunas, James Harden, Ivica Zubac, James Harden, Cam Christie,
Jordan Clarkson,
Jermaine Grant,
Taylor Hendricks,
DeAndre Hunter,
Jordan Clarkson,
Cameron Thomas, Cameron Johnson, Matas Bizos, Dennis Rodman, Desmond Bain, Kobe Buffkin, Anthony Black, Paul Banchero. Are you guys ready for this card? Here it is. Pass the Rock, Stephen Curry. Amazing card. Then we got Come the D,
Keon George,
and Josh Hart. Okay, and now we got Kyle Lowry, Jalen Tyson, Harrison Ingram, Nick Smith Jr., Global Reach, Tijan Sloan, Nikola Jokic, Cade Cunningham,
Paul George,
Bobby Clinton,
Naz Reid,
Joel Embiid,
Tyler Hero,
Nicholas Claxton,
Kaysen Wallace,
Melvin Agencia,
Daniel Gafford,
and Nikola Vucevic.
Okay.
That sums up our whole unboxing, and tune in for the next video.